Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to our quick guide on cooking shark steak, a surprisingly delicious and often overlooked option. It has a wonderful, firm, meaty texture, quite similar to swordfish, making it very satisfying. Plus, its mild flavor means you can pair it with so many different ingredients and cuisines. Learning to prepare it properly will open up a whole new world of exciting meal possibilities. Before cooking, proper preparation is key to a delicious shark steak. First, soak your shark in milk or lemon juice for about 30 minutes. This step is crucial for removing any potential ammonia smell. After soaking, remember to thoroughly pat the steaks dry with paper towels, ensuring a good sear. You might also consider a quick marinade, perhaps for 15 or 20 minutes, to really infuse some extra flavor and moisture. Now, let's talk about the best ways to cook your shark steak. Pan-searing is a fantastic option. A hot pan with a little oil will give you that lovely golden brown crust while keeping the inside perfectly tender. Grilling is another popular choice, imparting a delicious smoky flavor and those appealing char marks. If you prefer something simpler, baking or broiling can also yield excellent results, offering a more hands-off cooking experience. Knowing when your shark steak is perfectly cooked is crucial for a great meal. You'll want it to easily flake apart with a fork, appearing completely opaque throughout. It's really important to avoid overcooking, as this can quickly make your shark tough and dry. For the most accurate result, use a meat thermometer. Aim for an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your shark steak is beautifully cooked, it's time to enjoy it. A simple squeeze of fresh lemon juice always brightens the flavor, or you could try a light herb sauce. Shark steak pairs wonderfully with so many sides, like roasted asparagus, a crisp green salad, or even some fluffy rice. Don't be afraid to experiment with different seasonings and side dishes. You might just discover your new favorite seafood meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.